introduce myself. My name is Sudhir Pai, and I've done my BE Electronics, and after that I've done my MBA Marketing. I worked with organizations like ICICI Bank, MetLife, and Kotak Mahindra. For last 3 months, I've started off my own consultancy business, and that's basically two things are there: Wings Consultant, and the second is Wings Foundation. Yeah. So that was about me. My presentation is divided into 4 parts. The first is introduction. Second is understanding disease. Okay, what are mental disease, what are physical disease. Third, understanding our own mind. Our mind is a wonderful gift given to us by God. So understanding our mind. And finally, using the healing powers of mind. Fine. If you have any questions, we can sort out the question then there itself. But suppose if the questions are a bit off track, we will keep it at the end of the presentation. Fine. Can we start? Okay, so welcoming all you health conscious people. Before I start off my presentation, I'd like to know from you. मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि before you come here, okay, what were the things which were there in your mind? आपके mind में क्या था? Like what you'll learn in today's session? Anybody? I want it to be an interactive session. It's not like a ज्ञान session कि मैं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे ज्ञान देके चले जा रहा हूँ. Okay, like? Okay, health and mind. Good. Anybody? Correct. Correct. How you can get rid of depression? Good. How to? Avoid the negative thinking. Okay, good. How to heal yourself without medicines? If you see today, medical industry has become booming industry. Okay, if you see their share prices, okay, they are one of the topmost company. Why? Because a lot of people fall ill, and if you go to a doctor, he'll give you at least 10 medicines. Okay, so we are here to heal ourselves with the powers of mind. Okay, so let's start. All of us wants to lead a better life, a peaceful life, right? Whatever we do, हम जो भी करते हैं, it is only for one thing, that we want peace of mind. We want to live a beautiful life. But the paradox of life is, we keep on doing the same thing again and again, and we want different results. Right? Every single day we get up, we do the same thing. पूरे दिन में वही चीज करते हैं, and we want expect different results. Not possible. Correct? I just remember a small story. Like I think all of you must have heard about Socrates. Socrates के बारे में सुना है? Who was Socrates? Okay, he was philosopher in Greek very well. In last 3,000 years, Socrates is supposed to be one of the topmost intelligent person in the world. Okay, and he used to give sessions or he used to give lectures on how to become better, how to heal yourself, how to be successful in life. He was about 55-60 years of age, and then this one young boy came to him, about 18-20 years of age, and he said, "Sir, I want to learn something from you." He said, "Fine, no problem." And after looking at his body movement, he started offering him a cup of tea. He said, "Okay, let's have a cup of tea, and after we have a cup of tea, we will start our lectures." He said, "Fine." And he was pouring the tea again and again and again. Okay, and the tea was filled till the brim of the cup. And after that it started falling down. So the boy said, like he was exasperated, and he said, "What you are doing? The tea is falling down." He said, "Exactly. Even your mind is full. I cannot give something more." So a humble request for all of you, since all of you are learned people, all of you are experienced people, we have about a crowd of 30 people. And if I have to multiply their working years of around 25, we have 750 man years of experience out here. In this room we have 750 years of man experience. So definitely in comparison of you, my experience is very negligible. I just have 10 years and the crowd is 750 years. But I have a humble request to all of you. Be open-minded. Be open to new ideas. Be open to new thought process. Because mind is like a parachute. It will work only when it is open. Okay, for next 1 hour, I would like all of you to just be open. Okay, whatever new ideas come, let it come in. Okay, possibly so many years we were closed. We used to say, नहीं, मेरा जो knowledge है सबसे बढ़िया knowledge है. बाकी यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं उनका knowledge अच्छा नहीं है. I would suggest for next 1 hour, just be open. Let it come in. Think over it. Next 1 week, 10 days, think over what you have learned and then apply. And after applying, analyzing, come to a conclusion. See, generally what happens when we come for a lecture, when we attend a lecture, we see कि okay यार ये lecturer है. Okay, इसका कितना knowledge है? 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. We are closed. Okay, I request all of you 1 hour, just be open. Let the fresh air come in. Okay, whatever techniques you learn here, apply those techniques for maybe 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, and then come to a conclusion. नहीं ये तो बकवास था, throw it off. I'm okay. Or if this is useful, then take it off. Fine. So can we go ahead? Okay, understanding disease. I think all of us, right from the childhood, have undergone some kind of physical ailment or some kind of mental ailment. Okay, so we would like to learn, hear from all of you. What are the things which you must have gone since the time you were a child or since the time you became conscious about yourself? What kind of diseases you have gone through? Fever, cold, cough, okay. Depression. What is the number one disease right now in India? Cardiac, heart. In fact, a report had come that possibly in next 5 years' time, India will become capital of heart disease. It is going to become a capital of heart disease. Why? Stress. Because constantly we are comparing ourselves with other persons. Say for example, if we have a car and if the other person gets a 5-inch bigger car, that's it. We come under stress. Or possibly, we are getting an X amount of salary. The other person get a 5% increment in the salary and we are stressed. Okay, we are wearing possibly a set of clothes. The other person gets a 1 level our upper brand and we are stressed. So what's happening? Our entire focus is outside. I think you must have attended a lot of sessions out here. Some people must have attended some sessions, and I think whosoever the teachers have come, they have said, try to go within. The moment we start going within ourselves, we'll find true happiness. See, I'm not saying that, okay, we need to leave everything. Sab kuch chhod ke we have to go to Himalayas and meditate. We are saying, can we keep our balance in remaining in this chaotic world? People say that meditation is for people who go to Himalayas. I'm saying meditation is for people who are staying here. Every single day at homes, in offices, on roads, in buses, trains, everywhere we are going through chaotic lifestyle. Can we maintain our life? Can we maintain our peace of mind? Can we maintain our balance? Okay. So understanding disease. The technical definition is. Can you read out, sir? Right. How many times have we seen a small child born with the disease? How many times? एक छोटा बच्चा, when he is taking a birth, what is the percentage of him being healthy? Any guess? Wild guess is okay. 99%, right? 99% or 99.5% of the time, a child is always born healthy. But as and when we start growing up, we start accumulating disease. We'll understand how these diseases come. Okay? So, peace, healthy body is a natural state of mind or a natural state of body. In fact, we are being born with a healthy body and healthy mind. But as and when we grow up, we start acquiring all these diseases. Let's see. Why disease? These are the 5 very important reasons of disease. Polluted air. Can you read out, sir, all the 5?